Now we can have Prajakta Dev Roy from RIG 3262. Over to you, Prajakta Dev.
Good afternoon, Prajakta.
Yeah, I'm
Immediate past district Rotaract representative Rotractor Prajakta Dev Roy, born on 8th November 1992. He had served the district as district Rotaract representative in the year 2018-19, district Rotaract secretary in the year 2016-17, and he joined the Rotaract in the year 2011. So he's with us with more than 9 years of Rotaract experience, and I'm sure we all will learn a lot from him. Over to you, Prajakta.
okay. Thank you. First of all, thank you, Rahul, Tasneem, and Anmol Bhai for inviting me to a beautiful training sessions for the district director, for the club directors, I guess. Okay, my topic has been given regarding avenues of service. First of all, let me say the basics, fundamentals of Rotaract, that whatever we do in Rotaract, it depends on the service we provide to the society. And how do you define our service? The 5 avenues of services are basically club service, community service, international service, vocational service, and youth service. So first of all, our Rotaract comes under youth service. Now let me be very specific that what are the services meant in a Rotaract club and how can we utilize the proper way of describing all the services. See, my friends, first of all, we do club service. First of all, our club meetings comes under club service. So in club service, we basically celebrate birthdays of our club members, we celebrate anniversaries of amongst our club members, or we go for a short trip or short picnic, whatever amongst our club member, we celebrate it in-house. That is basically referred as club service. Community service, it is again a very good thing that whatever service we give it to our society, like we can say a blood donation camp we do, or we do go for a health checkup camp, or we go for other awareness campaigns in our locality. So these all comes under community service. In terms of international service, it is again a very good type of service. What I basically feel in international, we can have a 1:1 bonding with the districts, with other clubs outside our district. Like a Rotaract club from your district, supposed to be XYZ, can have a project with another Rotaract club of some other district. That may be a bulletin exchange, a e-bulletin exchange, or a flag exchange. Wherever we visit that district, our members can exchange our flag there. We can even attend the meetings of their clubs, and even we can have a joint project through international service. Like we are doing a blood donation camp at our district by a Rotaract club, and in the same time other districts by another Rotaract clubs are doing another blood donation camp. So this also comes under our international project and international service. And in international service, there are 2 good things that I must say. One is an ICYE trip, that is called Inter-Club Youth Exchange, and again in international avenue we have IDYE, also that is called Inter-District Youth Exchange. So I will elaborate it in later. Now when we come to vocational service, so in vocational service, we in this type of service, we normally as a Rotaract club, we used to train the local persons, or like we can as Rotaract is a platform for all professionals, so we can have a career building objective through career counseling program in vocational service. We can even provide teaching for sewing machine to the deprived women in our society. We can also enable for driving classes, so that at least through this, the persons those are being deprived of some facilities can also earn out of getting this service. And last but not the least, it's a youth service. In youth service, we organize various competitions amongst other Rotaract, amongst the institutions. Like in school, what we do basically, we take for an example 3 to 4 school, we organize painting, debate, essay, and other activities. So in what happens, so we inculcate these young minds amongst us. We try to find out what best the qualities they have in this youth, and in later on we felicitate these students through our projects. So these are the 5 basic pillars of a Rotaract service project. First is club service, vocational service, international service, community service, and youth service. Out of these 5 service, now many clubs are good in community service, many clubs are good in club service, many clubs are good in international service, many are good in vocational, and many are good in youth service. So in these 5 things, the total service of road track club depends on. Hello. Hello.
Yes, 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 yes. Continue,
Carry
bhai.
on.
You are audible.
Carry on.
Prajakta bhai, hello.
Hello, Shubham. Prajakta has left
Unmute
the
कीजिए
meeting
Prajakta.
due to technical issue.
Okay, okay, okay. We can wait for 2 minutes.
हाँ, yeah.
He's in. Prajakta is in, but वो mute हो गए हैं. Unmute कीजिए प्राजक्ता भाई अपने आप को.
Okay.
हाँ,
So
now.
basically revenues of services होता है ये basically हर एक club में like मैं if I say about myself, I was very good in international bonding. तो international bonding से मुझे क्या benefit मिला कि like मेरा international friends बढ़े. I have other friends in other districts. So I used to like talk to them. I used to have joint projects like joint bulletin exchange करना, चाहे e-bulletin बनाना, whatever. So all now our purpose of saying all these things in Rotaract about these avenues of service basically is now we have to choose what is our strength in these avenues. Maybe I am good in community service, so I will ensure that our community gets better service from my end. Like अगर मैं blood donation camp अच्छा organize कर सकता हूँ, so then I will go for organizing the blood donation camp throughout the year. That is my USP in a Rotaract club. If I am good in doing club fellowship, like club में time पे meeting हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, जैसे club service director का काम है, कोई members का attendance अगर मान लो इस I have 10 members in my club, so in every meeting 7 members, if 7 members will come, then we'll have 70% attendance in average. So उसको कैसे 100% किया जाता है, what new things we can add on in club service so that we can inculcate all our members in our club meeting, we can get all our club members or full attendance in our club. That is the responsibility of a club service director. Then coming again to vocational service, same thing. Vocational service में कैसे हम लोग career, how to give a good career, or what are the actual benefits of being into Rotaract club. We would like to share our experiences with asking industry professionals from Rotary to come to have a talk sessions on regarding the career, how to build a career, so we can have that event. And again, and one more thing I must add, that the presence of four-way test, that is very important. In that is, I must suggest the vocational service directors of the district or of the clubs should at least have a talk on four-way test in their meetings, so that practically how it is helpful, like the four-way test, how we can implement it in our day-to-day life. We can get the idea out of it. We can ask some eminent Rotarian from our district, or we can even call the district four-way test chair to our club meeting, so we can invite him, so that, and we can ask him to elaborate on four-way test. So it also comes under vocational service. And youth service is basically to engage our Rotaractors in various types of competitions, like maybe youth competitions, maybe drawing competition. So it basically enhance our inner qualities in an organization. That is all about youth service. And now I must say, apart from all these four avenues of service, we can also add on other things, like we can go for, like, social media is a vital part of today's arena, so we should be very active. So whatever we do in any of our avenues of service, we should publicize it more properly and more frequently in our social media, so that so that what service we are giving, we can have it in on board through our activities. Now, these are basically the 5 avenues of service. Again, I repeat, it is club service, community service, international service, vocational service, and youth service. Now, may I request the audience to please post any of your questions or any queries or anything apart from this you wanted to know from me? Hello? Hello?
So, Prajakta, will you please explain the four-way test to all the Rotaractors? What are the four-way tests?
Yeah, basically four-way test is actually the और मैं व्हाट आई विल से, अगर उसको प्रॉपर वे से मैं बोलूं कि 4-वे टेस्ट, जस्ट अ सेकंड, नॉट ऑडिबल प्रॉपर्ली, हेलो हेलो, या कैन यू, am I audible now? Actually, I am very new to all this technology.
Yes, sir, you are
Yeah,
audible.
yeah, thank you. So 4-way test जो basically है, it has been adopted by Rotary International of the things that we say or do. First is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendship? Will it build goodwill and better friendship? And will it be beneficial to all concerned? These are the 4 things of the 4-way test. Maybe I'm just scrolling each one. I don't know if it is in a right order or not. So basically, the 4-way test क्या होता है ना? It makes us very ethical on the things we do in our life. Like, is it the truth? What does it means जो काम हम कर रहे हैं ये सही है कि नहीं और ये सच है कि नहीं. First, let us understand that. Is it the truth? Then is it beneficial to all concerned, or will it be beneficial to all concerned? Means हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं क्या इससे किसी को मतलब कोई इससे लाभान्वित हो रहा है क्या, और will it be beneficial to all concerned? Hello, hello,
Hello.
हाँ, am I audible ना actually?
Yeah.
Okay, then थर्ड इज विल इट बिल्ड गुडविल एंड बेटर फ्रेंडशिप. लो यहाँ पे मैं एक छोटा सा चीज बोलूंगा, विल इट बिल्ड गुडविल एंड बेटर फ्रेंडशिप में, लाइक समथिंग आई एम डूइंग, लाइक एबीसी एक थिंग है जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन वो और एक के साथ वो चीज अप्लाई करूंगा तो वो उसको बेनिफिट, मतलब उसको वो हेल्पफुल होगा कि नहीं होगा, ये भी हमें सिखाता है रोटरी और रोट्रैक थ्रू दिस 4-वे टेस्ट, कि हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं वो सिर्फ हमारे लिए अच्छा नहीं होना चाहिए, वो दूसरों के लिए भी अच्छा होना चाहिए. लाइक हमारे लाइक कुछ भी कोई भी चीज हो, लाइक कोई भी चीज हो, माल मतलब एनीथिंग, ये हमारे स्वार्थ के लिए अच्छा हो सकता है लेकिन वो दूसरे के लिए खराब हो सकता है, तो उसको भी चेक करना चाहिए हमारे पर्सनल और डे टू डे लाइफ में. दैट व्हाट 4-वे टेस्ट टीचेस अस. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, we need build goodwill and better friendship. Yes, that is again a good thing that हम लोग जो भी कर रहे हैं in our day to day life, पहला मोटो तो यही होना चाहिए कि we can ensure that our friendship impact with all. मतलब हमारे अच्छे चीज करने के चक्कर पे या हमारे लिए कुछ अच्छा करने के चक्कर किसी दूसरे के साथ खराब ना हो जाए. So that is what been taught us in the 4-way test. And these are basically the 4 things of 4-way test, though I am not having a good depth of sense of knowledge in this, but if we can implement this 4-way test in our day-to-day life or in our professional life or in our any life, at least I can assure that it will be definitely helpful to us in maintaining our professional and social customs in our personal life. Yeah, so can I find some questions, some interactive questions? एंड और एक चीज मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगा, लास्ट रिसेंटली ऑफ आरआई बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, जिसमें पहली बार शायद रोटरैक्टर्स के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा न्यूज है दैट for the last so many years, Rotary Internet or Rotarians are actually getting that service above self award and other few awards. So this time in the last board meeting and last RI board meeting, it has been clarified by our RI president elect Holger Nack that Rotractor should also get meritorious service award or that service above self award and another avenues of service award even. So this is a good point which I would like to put it forth amongst you all today, that अभी से अगर हम लोग कुछ भी कोई भी एवेन्यूज ऑफ सर्विस में कोई भी अच्छा काम करेंगे ना, then definitely we will be recognized by Rotary International or the governing body of RI, the highest decision making of RI. So this is what a good news for all of us Rotractors in today's generations particularly. Now can I get some questions? See, let us make it is 5 minutes. Let us make it interactive if possible. Like, koi bhi questions so apart from this avenues of service, any other questions if you would like to put forth so that I can clarify at my knowledge. Hello. Hello. Hello.
All right. Any of the contractor want to ask any question?
How to balance personal life and personal life, family life, and Rotaract life? Yeah, Anmol Bhai has asked a very good question. How to balance personal life, family life, and Rotaract life? So इसमें मैं personally बोलूँगा कि being into Rotaract for almost a decade for me now. Yeah, I will say कि Rotaract should be a part of our life, but it should not get diverted apart from our personal life and professional life, even if our professional career, because फिर बैलेंस करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. आई मस्ट से मैं जैसे मेरे डीआरआरशिप में आई हैव आस्क्ड ऑल माय प्रेसिडेंट्स, ऑल माय रोट्रैक्टर्स 5 minutes a day for रोट्रैक्ट. दैट इज एनफ. अगर इफ वी आर गिविंग 5 minutes पर डे फॉर रोट्रैक्ट में, दैट इज एनफ. अगर दिन भर में 5 मिनट भी अगर आप कोई भी सर्विस करते हो, कोई भी मान, इट डजंट मैटर कि आपको क्लब में आके सिर्फ रोट्रैक्ट करना है. इट डजंट मैटर. इफ यू आर सर्विंग a small food packet to needy in front of your home, na, that is also an activity of Rotaract. You can consider it. If you are moving somewhere and you see a person, a weak person is cannot able to cross the road, and if you ask him or if you join hands with him to make him cross the road, that is also a service project that is included into Rotaract. And yes, agar personal life and personal life ko pehle first of all, my friends, I must say, first give priority to your personal life, second to your professional life, third to your Rotaract life. Because अगर पहला दो चला जाएगा तो फिर थर्ड रह के भी कोई फायदा नहीं है. So first two are more important than Rotaract. तो एनी टाइम, एनी अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट, हाँ मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूंगा कि लेजर टाइम में आप लोग बैठ के कुछ भी कर रहे हो, वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, चाहे कुछ भी कर रहे हो, 5 मिनट रोट्रैक्ट को दे दो. एंड आई मस्ट से it will definitely be very beneficial to you, especially to all my new friends. See, Rotaract लाइफ को क्या चेंज करता है, ये बेसिकली जो डीआरआर, सिर्फ डीआरआर नहीं, कोई भी नॉर्मल कोई भी है जो बहुत दिन से Rotaract में एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है, he can say कि what benefits we are getting apart from in Rotaract. तो एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल बोलूंगा कि I was stuck in some of my personal problem outside my state, and I have been to a place called Hyderabad. I have been to a small place in Hyderabad. So वहां पे मुझे एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, दैट कि मेरे को एक अर्जेंट कुछ पास चाहिए था एक जगह पे जाने का. तो आई वाज नॉट ट्राइंग एनीवे, मुझे कोई वे नहीं मिल रहा था. सो आई हैड ए वेरी गुड फ्रेंड देयर, बहुत पुराना फ्रेंड है, एंड वो अभी Rotaract में भी नहीं है. दैट गाय इज नो मोर इन Rotaract, but I know him since so long. So I instantly gave him a call that Rohit, I need a sort of help. So पहले सिर्फ इतना बता दिया कि मैं उसको सिर्फ बोलने से पहले इंट्रोड्यूस कर दे, क्योंकि मुझे भी पता नहीं था कि उसके पास मेरा नंबर होगा नहीं होगा. तो मैंने सिर्फ उसको बताया था कि आई एम रोट्रैक्टर प्राजक्ता फ्रॉम भुवनेश्वर, सो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग मी. तो इतना बोल दिया तो वो उसको याद आ गया कि हाँ आई गॉट यू. फिर उसने आया, मेरा वो काम थोड़ा जो डीलिंग हुआ था वो इजीली हो भी गया. सो सी फ्रेंड्स, व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग द प्रीफिक्स ऑफ RTR in our name, we are basically giving the value to our organization. That is the USP we have amongst Rotaract.
Thank you so much, Prajakta. We are running short of time. Other speaker had already joined us, so it was wonderful interacting with you. I request, I'm sure Rotaractors are left with many queries and many questions, so they can send their question in personal to Tasneem or both the DRS elect or to me also. So I will forward the question to you anytime for Rotaract. Yeah. So Prajakta, IPDRR Prajakta Dev Roy is 24/7 available for all of us. For any of the Rotaractor, I request DRS Rotaractor Shubham Tanmay for the vote of thanks.
Okay. Hello, प्राजक्ता भाई, आवाज आସୁଛି?
हाँ, आସୁଛି, पूरा बढ़िया रे आସୁଛି.
ओके. तो आप लोग मतलब जिस तरह से जान रहे हैं कि अभी हम लोगों का आज का फर्स्ट सेशन एंड हो चुका है, और अगले सेशन में हमारा ट्रेजरर्स के साथ जो है वो मीटिंग है, और ये वाला जो सेशन है वो ओपन टू ऑल है। तो आप लोग इसी मतलब लिंक पे रहिएगा, कंटिन्यू कीजिएगा। तो सबसे पहले मैं IPDRR प्राजक्ता भाई 3262 को थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने जो डायरेक्टर्स के और उनके जो कैटेगरीज हैं उसके जो एवेन्यूज हैं उसको उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से ब्रीफ किया है। उसके साथ ही इस सेशन में मैं DRR हेलो या उसके साथ ही मैं इसी सेशन में राहुल भैया, तस्नीम एंड हर्ष भाई एंड आवर IPDRR अनमोल भैया एंड PDRR दीप्तेश भैया, आप सभी का शुक्रिया है। साथ ही सेक्रेटरी इलेक्ट आयुष भाई एंड शिवम भाई, आपका भी शुक्रिया है। और हमारी जो टेक्निकल टीम है इस मीटिंग को बहुत अच्छे से ब्रीफली कंडक्ट कराने के लिए RTR सौरभ, आशभा एंड DRT प्रकाश, आपका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। और लास्ट में आप सभी मेंबर्स जो भी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं और आगे भी रहेंगे, इंक्लूडेड आवर वेरी लव DRCC सर, आप सभी का भी इस सेशन में शामिल होने के लिए शुक्रिया। अब हमारे साथ आगे के सेशन में DRR एन आर्टिया हर्षराज रहेंगे जो इसके बाद वाला सेशन कंडक्ट करेंगे। तो राहुल भैया, ओवर टू यू। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Thank you, Shubham.